3M Easy Trap Sweep and Dust Sheets are engineered to do more so that you can do less. They trap up to 800% more dirt, dust, and sand than flat-fringed cotton dust mops and the professional version of a common household sweeping dust cloth brand. Easy Trap Sweep and Dust Sheets not only collect loose hair, they trap it using a light adhesive so it doesn't land in another location. This system helps make for a pleasant, dust-free customer experience. 3M Easy Trap Sweep and Dust Sheets pick up challenging debris, even in wet conditions. Compatible with most high duster and flat floor tools, 3M Easy Trap Sweep and Dust Sheets are conveniently disposable to reduce regular loads of laundry. Plus, they're double-sided and made with at least 60% recycled content, making them a sustainable choice. Don't work harder, work smarter with 3M Easy Trap Sweep and Dust Sheets.